Hi, this video is going to be on the plot of Othello. Now, Othello is a tragedy, and in our tragedies we have protagonists with fatal flaws, and in Othello's case, his fatal flaw is his jealousy. Now, if we follow the 5-act structure, we can see how Othello falls victim to his fatal flaw and ends up at his tragic ending. And we can see this through his marriage. Now, our first part of our 5-act structure is called our exposition. And in Othello, we have Desdemona and Othello getting married in secret. And this sets up their relationship for the play, and also we get to see the other characters' opinions of their relationship. Next, we have our rising action, and this for Othello is where Iago performs his soliloquies to the audience and reveals his plan to deceive Othello. And after this, we have our climax, or our turning point. So up until our climax, Othello doesn't really believe Iago or fall for his plan. He doesn't take it seriously. But in our climax, we have Iago presenting Othello with what he believes is evidence of Desdemona being unfaithful, the handkerchief, and this marks a turning point because Othello begins to believe Iago and take him seriously. And after this, everything starts to go downhill for him, which results in our falling action, where Othello decides to kill Desdemona. And this ends up at our catastrophe. And this is where, of course, we have both Othello and Desdemona dead. And although this is, of course, a tragic ending, there is some relief in the fact that Iago is found out and he does not escape retribution for his actions. So hopefully you can see, if you follow this structure, how we can end up at our tragic ending for Othello. Thanks for listening.